Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. Are you looking for the perfect pair of super soft leggings? These beautiful leggings from Iniber are not only super soft, but they're comfortable, they wash well, and they're gorgeous as well. These are definitely comparable in softness to any brand that I've worked with before. They're made of a polyester spandex material that really fits nicely on your legs. I really appreciate that they are high-waisted and full length, and the ankle length tapers perfectly down at the bottom so these leggings stay in place. They have beautiful seams on this gorgeous purple tie-dye print that I opted for, and they have cute pockets that you can place your hand in whenever it's time for a break. I really love these pants, especially in my floor workouts and floor exercise. I just feel that they're super comfortable on the floor, and I really like that because of that high waist. I don't have to worry about my shirt coming up in the back and feeling a mat. Rather, they're just nice and comfortable the whole workout. I also really always try to check out how well that leggings wash, and these wash so well. I washed them in cold water and then hang dried them, and they came out just as perfectly with no pilling, but rather they're just ready for my next workout. You will be in love not only with the gorgeous print, but also how well that these work with you for your next workout, but that's my point of view.